Someone told me before that I always do adventurous things, forget to relax and slow down. Well, maybe this is the time to do just that. And why not do it here?
So today I'm taking you to one of the most beautiful and eco-friendly boathouse in Coron. So tara!
This is probably one of the most unique places I've stayed at in the Philippines, and let me tell you why. Right now, I'm in the middle of a lagoon and this is my view from my bed. Welcome to Paolyn Houseboat, the only accommodation on Coron Island. First, we were picked up by boat at the town proper and gave us an orientation on what to do and what not to do here. I arrived at 10 a.m. but check-in time is at 2 p.m. So I have more time to just chill around.
Welcome to Paolyn Houseboat po. Just arrived dito sa Paolyn Houseboat. They welcome me with the welcome drinks. Namiss ko rin si Ate Catherine. Brief niya ako dito sa mga house and rules and regulations. So, right now, it's 2 p.m. pa yung check-in and 10. So, mag-chill lang muna ako ngayon. Sobrang pagod na pagod ako kahapon. Kaya, deserve ko to. So, kahapon, sobrang gutom na ako because wala tayong mahanap ng lunch. Ayun, nagtawa tayo today. So, wait until their check-in hour. Murder muna ako ng lunch dito to have lunch. Hindi naman ganun kamahal yung mga prices and it's around 500 to 600 pesos. Tapos, actually good na to for 3 people. Pero I think kaya ko tong ubusin dahil gutom na gutom ako ngayon.
Considering.
Thank you. Hindi yan siya ko papayo na. Hindi na. Sarap. Magkakamay tayo ngayon. So later, I'm gonna tour you around the area.
But yeah, they have Starlink here, so I can maximize my time to work for a while, and yes, this is my life. It's not a travel vacation, I'm here to work. I actually thought this would be my accommodation until they told me that I needed to ride a boat to transfer to my room.
So, ayan, we just arrived to the second glass house. As in, may glass talaga sila dito. So, I think this is one of the perfect spots for couple. And yeah, meron din silang kubo dito. Kasi lahat parang ang ganda. Pero depende yun sa budget nyo. I think this one is around... Oh my, imagine waking up to this view. Tapos ito yung ang ganda ng pagkagawa ng glass door. As in, clear talaga yung view mo sa harap. Ito naman, nandito yung CR nila. Meron ding view sa CR. Kahit saan ka lumingon, meron tayong view. As in, gusto ko nang tumalon. Tumalon na kaya ako. So, ito yung mas mukhang private daw. Kasi, wow, parang may private pool. All the 7 houses here in Paolyn Houseboat. This is the most expensive among all. So, join me as I tour you around the area. I think this can occupy around 16 packs. So, you can pay for this around 70,000 pesos. Kung gusto mo half lang yung kunin mo, pwede naman. I think they're just gonna separate this if you're just gonna stay for like 8 packs. So, meron na rin pala siyang up and down. If you want to stay here, then you can also go up. Oh my gosh, alam mo yung paggigising ka sa umaga, paradise agad yung makikita mo. Ayan, view natin yung limestone dito. Perfect mag-honeymoon. Pwede rin pag wala kang ka-honeymoon. Ang maganda pala dito, it's all powered na by solar panel. Ito yung CR nila. So, ang ganda ng CR nila. Alam mo, hindi ko alam na nasa isla ako ngayon. Meron sila ditong bidet. Ito talaga yung pinaka-gusto ko, may bidet sila.
How to use the marine toilet in here. So after peeing or pooping, just move the lever to the left side so the water comes out. And if you think it's done and it's clean, just back the lever to the right side to close the water. Always remember, don't forget to close the water.
Tapos, pagdating naman dito is yung kanilang shower. Ano magsha-shower ka, tapos meron kang view doon ng limestone. And yan, may electric fan. Tapos, to avoid mosquitoes, meron din sila dito. Kulambo. Oh my God, ang tawag dito. Mosquito net. So yan, isa pa pala sa maganda dito, oh my God, may iPhone. So, pag pala gusto mong mag-request, since secluded nga yung lugar natin. So, meron silang iPad dito, wow. So, pag may mga kailangan kayo like food and beverages, so, punta na kayo dito sa WhatsApp nila. So, ang ganda kasi everything is organized, everything is systematic. At Ano po ito? Char. Oh wow, may coffee machine ang bongga. Tapos meron din silang first aid kit. Meron silang electric fan. Kasi actually hindi mo naman kailangan ng aircon. Although nag-add ata sila ng charge around 2,500 if you want to add for aircon. Kasi this is all powered by solar and yung aircon natin is under siya ng generator. So, ang ganda. I wish I can bring my family here. I'm not gonna stay here, so we're gonna transfer to another room. Pinakita ko lang sa inyo kung ano yung ma-experience nyo kapag mag-stay kayo dito. Good for 16 packs na yun, around 70,000. Wow. So, kung gusto nyo mga barkada kayo, pero kayong tumambay dito to just relax. And isa pa rin sa mga dito, since secluded nga siya, it's very peaceful. And pinopromote din nila yung quiet hour tuwing 10 p.m. Especially if may kasama kayo dito sa other room. So, mas maganda na maintain natin yung quiet side. And very sustainable na rin itong project. Yun yung maganda dito, kahit na nag-build sila ng establishment dito, they still sustain the environment. At pinopromote din nila yung always leave no trace principle. At wag tayo magkakalat dahil nasa isla pa rin tayo. So yan, samahan niyo ako dun sa other side. And right now we're here at Bamboo Sits 4. It's actually good for 6 people. So let's check what here.
Then I arrived at the original houseboat. This is where Paolo used to live, and it has recently been expanded.
So nice to meet you finally.
Very nice to meet you.
I'm so surprised with your journey. Like, how did you come up with this?
Actually, all this started by accident because I was sailing around the world for a few years, and my planning was not to stop anywhere more than a few months. But when I arrived in Philippines, I really fell in love with the place, with the people. And when I arrived in Coron Island, this island is an ancestral domain. You cannot resell it, luckily, so they cannot lose it again. But the people living in this island, they have a problem because they don't find job, because most of them don't study. So they don't find job. And if you don't find job, you don't have experience. So we decided to try to make a small project for them. And we started with a small houseboat, our own houseboat. And all this started like this. And now it's not small anymore, so we are more than 200 employees.
I really didn't expect, like, when I read it, it's like, how do they have 200 employees? Now I know, because the logistics is really hard.
The waste treatment, it's quite complicated. So we have holding tanks in the houseboat, so toilets, sinks, shower, kitchen, discharge and the holding
It's like
tanks.
there's a septic tank?
Yeah, and holding tanks. So
And you have to bring it
and after we sunk, we bring another island where we have built our own STP facility with 14 stages septic tank, an STP machine, and so we process and we treat all our waste.
So every day po, we are asking someone po na to check every houseboat po, to check the voltage po. So if it's low voltage po, we need to start the generator po maingay siya.
Nalaman ko na they have generator over there. So meron silang special submarine where nandun yung wire to go to the other side of the house. So yun nga, meron silang 7 houses around, and this is the original Paolyn house. So ito yung first house niya, and before dinadala lang niya yung mga friends niya dito, and then naisipan na nila na why not make different houses. So napakaraming nangyari dito sa Paolyn Boathouse para lang mabuo to, and it's a process. Pero nakakatuwa yung idea kasi yun nga, na-maintain nila yung sustainable tourism when it comes in building here. And alam nyo ba na yung ginagamit na water dito is, of course, fresh water. Pero na-maintain pa rin nila na hindi directly pumunta sa ilalim ng dagat because makaka-affect siya sa ocean natin. Yung mga water na ginamit pang ligo is pumupunta siya under septic tank, which is tinatransport siya sa other island, which is dun na nilalagay yung mga water. Wow! So ayan, ngayon tour ko lang kayo dito around sa Paolyn Boathouse. So this one, it's good for 6 people, and meron din siyang the veranda sa taas, and we're gonna check it out. Nandito tayo sa kanilang second floor right now. Sobrang breathtaking dito sa part na to, and meron silang I think this is good for 10 to 15 people, and pwede rin kayo mag-add pa ng beddings. And ang pinakamaganda dito sa part na to is pagigising ka sa umaga. Oh my gosh! Sobrang peaceful. Dito sa Paolyn Original House, meron sila kada room, so they provided private toilet. Yeah. So hindi pala to yung highlight. Meron pang third floor. Aakit kami ni Kuya dun sa third floor. Wow. The veranda. Kuya, may talaga yung veranda.
Inaano ko po talaga mo. Tinitiin.
Wow. This is the veranda. Ang ganda. I think ito yung reason kung bakit dito siya naglagay sa spot na to. Ang ganda, like 360 view of lagoon. I think ito yung pinakamagandang view sa lahat. I don't know, parang lahat maganda eh. Dito ako mag-honeymoon. Hiring mo ng boyfriend. Dito ako magstay ngayon sa first class or all glass house. Tour ko lang kayo. I think this is the most affordable among all. And it's good for couple. Pero pwede rin kayo for solo traveler. Wow. Tatalo na ako. Gusto ko lang tumalon. So may private CR sila. Let's be quiet. And the beautiful part about staying here is your access to marine life 5 seconds away from your bed.
I was also amazed by how eco-friendly the place is.
And this is how they built this house. The house itself is built with eco-friendly materials.
Every detail is thoughtful crafted to ensure comfort while minimizing environmental impact. The place is powered by solar energy, reducing reliance on fossil fuels. Material used are locally sourced bamboo and reclaimed wood, which helps reduce the carbon footprint. There is a septic tank system so no waste goes into the ocean. And look at the view from the sink. Every houseboat has its own Starlinks. The food is incredible with everything fresh and delivered straight to your room by boat. There's even a private phone inside the room for convenience, plus you can enjoy unlimited kayaking and snorkeling around the lagoon. It's a reminder that we can enjoy the world's most beautiful places without harming them.
Just outside my house, you can do kayaking and ito na yung view mo. So nandun yung bahay ko ngayon and I'm kayaking right now. It's just raining but it's okay.
So, for the rules and regulations po dito sa room, as you can see, you have 2 platforms. In this platform, you are allowed to do jumping anywhere you want. But in this platform, we don't allow to do jumping in here because it will shake the room, so we can distract other guests from the other side. And there's some fragile things, maybe we can destroy it.
What also we ask to our guests, for example, each room has a private outdoor area.
Yeah.
So with a floating deck, they have a shower there, fresh water. We explain that water is the only water going to the sea, so they don't have to use any soap, any shampoo. Even if our shampoo are 100% biodegradable, we ask not to use them outdoor, but only indoor, where the water of the shower is collected in the holding tanks.
Yeah.
So nothing goes in the sea. That is one of the must. And the other important things is that the houseboats are a special project that they don't leave any prints. So if tomorrow we remove the houseboat from the lagoons, nobody can even imagine that before houseboat they were here because they don't damage anything, don't damage the coral, don't damage the limestone, don't damage anything. So we are just floating. Now, this is also something important because the nature here is so incredible that really need to be respected.
Yeah, it was so lovely to meet you. And
Now, of course, we really respect the nature, and we really try not to avoid any kind of pollution.
Yeah.
So I before to start with this small project, I really try to find solutions that they can be 100% compatible.
yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you.
I'm done swimming, so I'm just gonna have dinner here all by myself. It's already night, so they delivered it here. Oh my gosh, so amazing. Like, if you want to order something, they have to deliver it from the dining. So sinigang pa rin yung ulam ko. It's my leftover a while ago. I'm about to sleep now. I just finished eating dinner. Actually, I'm supposed to rest today, but I decided to finish my backlog since we're in paradise. I'm supposed to do social media fasting, but yesterday I cycled the entire day, and I have so many spare time. So yeah, it's very comfy here. They have mosquito nest net. They have mosquito net here. So at night you can cover it, and they have AC here if you want to avail AC, although their campaign is to avoid pollution. So here at this resort, they don't call this resort, they call it a sustainable project. If you want to avail the aircon, you need to pay additional 2.5, and they said that 95% of their guests don't use the aircon. So actually it's not too hot right now, so it's really okay. Yeah, it's gonna be a long sleep because tomorrow I'm so excited to see the sunrise. I thought I'm gonna wake up at 5:30, but it's already 7 a.m. right now, so I miss the sunrise. But the sunrise, they don't have sunrise here because it's covered by limestone. Medyo malamig naman kahapon, and thankfully meron silang electric fan, and I like the sound of like that crickets ba tawag doon? You will hear it at night. It's so serene. It's working. Pero okay lang. Oops. Para ako nasa movie na dadating na lang bigla yung boat. So nandito na yung boat. Morning kuya. Yeah. Bongga lang, susunduin ka ng papunta ng dining. Punta tayo ngayon sa restaurant. So yung restaurant nila, it's like 5 minutes away from my accommodation. So susunduin ka talaga ng bangka, ang bongga. So lahat, if you need something, they just gonna deliver it to you. And wow. Ito yung buhat sa atin ng umaga. So ayan, isip ako mag-paddleboard ngayon. Saan ako makairam paddleboard?
Paddleboard.
Apo. Pakapagod. Morning, like, meron silang free paddleboarding dito, kaya paddleboard tayo. Sayang naman, diba? Bawal ka pala mag-panic kasi once na nag-panic ka, mahulog ka. So, just chill, relax, and enjoy your surroundings. Don't think too much and just learn how to balance like this. 8:30 a.m. It's okay, we have this amazing view. So most of their breakfast here, price range is around 500 pesos, but the breakfast is around 300 pesos. It's not too expensive actually compared to other restaurants outside. Moment na mapapasabi ka na na sarap maging single, like you're just here, wala kang ibang iniisip, walang ibang problema, thinking of someone and just living in the moment. I don't know, I'm not thinking yet to have a relationship, really focus on enjoying myself, doing what I love and living in the moment. Like, if someone come, I think it's just gonna be an add-ons. Like, the most important thing is for you to love yourself first before you love somebody else. Yeah, like right now. Everything is just so peaceful. Hindi maramdaman na umabot na siya ng 40 minutes and you're just there. Relax, very serene, and just so calm. Parang slow mo yung mundo ko and parang ako nasa magical moment. Magical moment!